I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine, and we're here at Bird Decorative Hardware in Bath, and we're talking with Whitney Butler. How you doing, Whitney?
Doing good. How are you doing, Tim?
Doing great. Whitney, a lot of big changes here at the Bird Decorative Hardware in Bath showroom. We've asked you to kind of show us around today and tell us about all the great changes. I want to let you know, you folks recently had an open house for interior designers and custom builders and architects, and very successful event. What were their comments about the renovation of the Bird Decorative Hardware in Bath showroom?
I think they were as excited as we were to see the finished product. So it had been a long time coming for a big change like this here. So when they walked through the doors last week to see how everything had turned out, I think they were really pleasantly surprised and really excited to see what's new.
Good. What were some of the comments that you heard last week at the open house?
Oh wow, that it's bright in here. We used to be a little darker, not as good a lighting. That the new lines, the way things appeared with the new color scheme that we have in here. That the showroom's bigger, so just all positive.
And you had a beautiful showroom before, and all you did was just improve on it tenfold. So congratulations on that. Question I have for you. The economy is slower than it was a few years ago. We're talking to a lot of people. They seem to say that business is starting to return and things are bouncing back. Why would the folks at Bird Decorative Hardware in Bath? Why would you folks decide to sink so much money? Because it's obvious that you spent a lot of money on this renovation. Why would you spend so much money at a slower time of the economy?
I guess it's twofold in that it had been, I think, 15 years we counted since anything major had been done to this showroom. So it was time to do something new. And the second thing, probably more importantly, would be that we're optimistic that things are going to turn around, the economy is going to be getting better, and that when it does, we're going to be poised and ready with a beautiful showroom, great products, so that we can hit the ground running when things change.
That's great. And I was asking the owner, Andrew Blair, about that, and he said something that I thought was really interesting. He said, "I believe in tomorrow." And I thought that was a very poignant comment. The fact that even in a slower time, he as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, he has the vision to recognize that, hey, we're in a strong market here in Charleston. Things are going to turn around. Things are going to be better. I believe in tomorrow. I thought that was great.
Yep, and that is his attitude, and that's all of our attitudes around here. So we have a great group of people here at Bird, and we work together, and that positive feeling, we just try to keep that here every day and moving forward. So. Well,
good. Well, Whitney, let's kind of take a little walk around the showroom. Take us on a tour. Tell us about all the changes, any new lines.
Okay.
Let's start just briefly with we've got this beautiful new tile floor.
Yeah, we've got a new limestone floor, which has been a great addition. We had carpet before, so this has been nice. It's helped to brighten everything up in the showroom. So we've really been excited about this. This was quite a undertaking to do the floor because we were open during the renovation, so everybody was such a great sport. We'd move everything to one corner so the guys could tile this part of the floor, and then we'd move everything back. So we played a little bit of musical chairs, if you will, with things. But it's been great. We love it, and it really helps to show off a lot of the plumbing fixtures that we have. I mean, everything just looks so great on this beautiful floor. So
yeah, and it's kind of following that trend that is happening everywhere. You know, people are kind of moving from carpet, just like you had in your old showroom, to more hard surfaces, hardwood floors, and tile.
Yep. So we've been really pleased with it. The guys that did the work did a great job, and we really love it. Looks
great. Well, let's go ahead and walk around here. And one of the biggest new changes or additions to the Bird Decorative Hardware showroom is the addition of the Waterworks line. Tell me about that, Whitney.
We're really excited about it. We've had this new display that's here and around a couple other spots in the showroom for about a month and a half, 2 months now, and we are really excited about it. Beautiful line, great quality, beautiful designs. So we're really excited about it and looking forward to working with this in the future, now and in the future.
And Waterworks, they used to have a location down on King Street. They were there for about 4.5 years, and they closed that location. I understand that Bird Decorative Hardware is one of only a small handful of dealers around the country that Waterworks has partnered with as I guess a boutique showroom.
Yes, we're one of Waterworks. I think there are 6 in the country boutique showrooms. So it's a privilege to have a line that's as well known as Waterworks come to with Bird and us work together. But no, there are 6 of us in the country. We've got these beautiful vignettes that we have that show a great mix of their product, from traditional to contemporary, transitional, deco almost. They really have a broad range of product.
Good deal. Well, let's go ahead and continue on. If if a homeowner just walked into Bird Decorative Hardware, what would you tell them as far as giving them the lay of the land here?
We kind of have the showroom split up into a couple different areas. Plumbing fixtures are more towards the front of our showroom. We have hardware and cabinet hardware scattered more towards the back of the showroom. So we do try to keep everything cohesive, because it can be a bit overwhelming when you walk in and see all these amazing products and you just don't know where to start. So we try to have everything broken up a little bit, so when they come in they can maybe zone in on what they're looking for, right through the door.
Well, let's head on over to the plumbing fixture department.
Okay.
Okay, tell us where we are now, Whitney.
We're on the opposite side of the showroom from the Waterworks display. So in this area we have a beautiful roll display. We have some vanities, some toilets, some farm sinks, tubs, really some nice pieces. We try to have a great mix of contemporary, traditional, transitional throughout all of our lines. And I think all the lines that we represent have a good base as far as that's concerned. So just beautiful product. Roll is a company that everything's produced in Europe, England, Italy, or their main manufacturing plants.
All right, Whitney, what do you call this room with all these plumbing fixtures?
I'm not sure what we call this room. This is kind of our little plumbing cubby over here. This room displays more of our kitchen product, kitchen sinks, bar sinks, kitchen faucets, as well as numerous shower systems and bathroom faucets. So still a lot of product packed in this little corner.
All right, let's let our cameras kind of follow us around here. We've got all these. We've got some shower heads and kitchen sinks and faucets over here.
We do a lot of great product: Jado, Filrich, Seafeel. A lot of great stainless steel sinks here along the wall and along the island here in the middle.
Mm-hmm. I was just admiring this very commercial-looking kitchen sink over here.
No, this is great. This is a Blanco micro edge sink, and it's great because has the look of a drop-in almost, but it's not. It's actually, your granite is cut out so that the level of the sink and the level of the granite are level. So it's just one flush piece. If you wipe your counter off, you can just wipe everything into the sink, and it's really great looking. It definitely has a commercial feel. I love this.
You don't run into any problems with food particles or anything getting in between the cracks?
Not with the way the granite lines up. So it's beautiful.
Good deal. Good deal. Are people? Is this a popular line, or do people like that commercial look in their kitchens?
We're seeing more of that because, food culture is huge, especially here in Charleston. And so commercial kitchens, working kitchens, I think are really popular and will continue to be so.
Right.
So.
Okay, and then we've got some pedestal sinks over here.
Right, pedestal sinks looks for bathrooms with some beautiful medicine cabinets over there, just to kind of put a couple different looks together. Definitely,
you're a very efficient use of your space here, and you've got a very spacious showroom, but it looks like you use almost every square foot.
Yeah, we use every inch, so we definitely do. We definitely do. Sigma is another line for us that we're really excited about. Beautiful pieces. They do a lot of custom finishes, so we've got that ability with a few lines, that 30 different finishes for a lavatory faucet, so we can find something for everybody.
I didn't know there were 30 different finishes. I thought.
Are, yeah. No, I didn't know until they showed them to us. So they've got lots of different ones, beautiful things. So
Awesome. Okay, we're continuing on, and
this is Hans Grohe and Axor, great German plumbing line, well known for shower systems and things. They're really nice product.
I bet people butcher some of these names when they come in here, right?
Yeah, they can, and sometimes I catch myself tripping on them too.
Okay, Whitney, let's walk around the rest of the showroom, and now we're going to be hitting the decorative hardware portion of Bird Decorative Hardware and Bath.
We have lots of that. Over here we've got classic brass and Broussard. Broussard is another one of the custom lines. You design it, they can make it. So really beautiful product and can do anything that you need. You can see here with Valley contemporary hardware. So we do have, like I said earlier, a mix of contemporary and traditional.
And give us some examples of hardware. What are we talking about? Not hammers and saws and things.
Definitely not. Decorative hardware for your doors, levers, knobs, door knockers, door accessories, cabinet hardware, pulls, knobs, rings, anything decorative hardware related. We have it. Gotcha. Bath accessories, we do a lot with bath accessories, so we can coordinate the plumbing fixtures that you select with the bath accessories that we have. Back here we have some great cabinet hardware lines. This is Colonial Bronze. This is a made in America company, and they make anything in any of the 32 finishes they offer. Few other lines here. Alno, Ginger and Motive are two great bath accessory lines that we do a lot with.
And the nice thing about Bird Decorative Hardware and Bath is you've got products for people with unlimited budgets, and you've got products for people that are on a budget, right?
We definitely do. We have something for everyone.
Take these oil rub bronze knobs. I mean, these are probably what, under $10 a piece or something.
I mean, cabinet hardware can range from anywhere from starting at $3 and moving up. So it's wide open as far as price points. So we can find something for everybody. This is a great new addition to the showroom. This is our last piece to the puzzle. A big, nice barn door track. So this is Crown Lab stainless steel barn doors. So we've got this beautiful big door, beautiful stainless steel track. So we've been really excited about this.
And this is something you folks sell, right?
We do. And we've added this room here, mainly cabinet hardware in this room, so we've consolidated a good bit of it because, like I said earlier, it can be a bit overwhelming when you walk in. So this is another one of the areas where we've tried to be able to direct people where they know exactly what they're needing. So.
All right. And now we're making our way toward the front of the store and
more door hardware here in the middle of the showroom, but along the wall we've got some gate hardware, shutter hardware. We don't really have nuts and bolts, but this, I guess, would be our nuts and bolts area. So.
Gotcha. Well, I'm very, very impressed with the showroom remodel, and you've got everything laid out very nicely. So you have a very spacious feel. You don't feel like you're closed in or anything. It really enhances the shopping experience.
Well, thank you. Well, I appreciate that. We tried really hard to achieve that. So it's been nice to hear feedback from customers, old and new, that have given us, the thumbs up on all this.
And Bird Decorative Hardware owner Andrew Blair, when I told him he did what a great job he did, he gave full credit to his entire staff. So all of you folks, I guess, were involved in the project and deserve credit.
Well, we were. Like I said, everyone was a good sport. Between moving things around, helping with the paint, all of it. We all chipped in. It kind of gave us a better respect for what our customers go through when they're renovating and building, so we can kind of empathize a little bit with them.
How can folks get in touch with Bird Decorative Hardware and Bath? We
have a couple ways. We can come down and see us at the showroom. We're at 1081 Morrison Drive. Our phone number here is 843-577-5440, and our website is birddecorativehardware.com. So come see us.
Great. Well, we've been talking with Whitney Butler with Bird Decorative Hardware and Bath. She's been taking us on a tour of Bird Decorative Hardware and Bath's brand new renovated showroom, and you can catch this video on YouTube and also charlestonhomeanddesign.com. Thank you, Whitney.
Thanks, Tim. Good to see you.